PHP and ASP comparison. ASP supports multi-programming languages, the most commonly used in VB script. PHP is open source alternative to ASP that runs on multiple operating systems including Linux and Windows. There are reasons to say PHP is better than ASP. I will explain few of them. Speed. If we compare the speed of ASP and PHP, then PHP has an upper hand. PHP code runs faster than ASP. ASP is built on COM-based architecture, which is an overhead for the server, whereas PHP code runs in its own memory space. Cost. To run ASP programs, one needs IIS installation on the Windows platform server, which is not free. PHP programs run on Linux, which is free. Even the connectivity of the database is expensive in the case of ASP, as MySQL is a product of Microsoft that needs to be purchased. PHP generally uses MySQL, which is freely available. When we are talking about capability, PHP gives us additional capability than if we were to code with ASP. According to the above information, we can say PHP is better than ASP. PHP and JSP comparison. Programming approach in JSP completely object oriented, but in PHP script with object oriented support. Web oriented features includes mails, file uploading, form handling and session. In JSP, almost everything is built in or supported by libraries, complicated and too much of code. But in PHP, inbuilt functionality, easy to use functions written for the specific task. Database access features. Standard JDBC structure use EJB state framework built over JDBC. Descriptive and too much overhead or boilerplate code involved. Using the same API for all database using JDBC drives. Dedicated inbuilt libraries for most of commonly used database. Very tight integration with MySQL and PostgreSQL. Very minimally boilerplate code required. The libraries and result are straightforward and easy to use. Dynamic graphic or PDF and bells and whistles. Almost everything has a ready-made library, supported initially or through libraries. Porters. In JSP, space JSR/168 and 218. Many different portal frameworks in PHP. Conclusion. For the conclusion of our presentation, these are the main features that we have taken to compare PHP, ASP and JSP. By using these main features, we are going to prove that PHP is better than other dynamic scripting languages. In our research, we have proved that PHP is dominant than other scripting languages. We have compared PHP was JSP and PHP was ASP. At last, we have compared three of the scripting languages by using cost, operating system plus platform, supported web servers, supported database, portability, scalability, component supported, leaving curves.